This installation is for the Guard Plus shower base. These are the tools and materials required for installation. Follow all local plumbing and building codes. Install on an adequately supported subfloor. If the subfloor is not level or access to shim is difficult, install with approximately 1 inch of Type N or Type S mortar that covers the base and contact area. Construct a plumb stud pocket 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch wider than the nominal product size. Refer to the rough-in information in the installation guide for additional guidance. Install the rough plumbing in the stud pocket and the drain to the shower base. If provided, place the felt pad on the subfloor, ensuring it will contact all support feet. It is recommended to staple or tape the felt pad to the subfloor to prevent it from moving. The following are not acceptable alternatives to the felt pad or mortar cement: expanding spray foam, gypsum plaster, thin set mortar, or roofing felt. Next, using a utility knife, cut the felt pad for the drain hole. Lift and position the shower base in the stud pocket. With the unit level, shim under the support feet as needed. This step is not required for a mortar bed installation. Confirm base is level side to side and front to back. Install plastic attachment clips at all remaining stud locations using truss head screws. Be sure to leave the weep channel free of sealant or finished wall material.